Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best organic dog toothpaste is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of our furry friends' health. But trust me, keeping those pearly whites clean is super important. Today, we're diving deep into the world of organic dog toothpaste, exploring the best options to keep your canine's breath fresh and their teeth sparkling. We'll uncover what makes a toothpaste truly organic and why it matters for your beloved pet. Number 5. Oxyfresh Dental Gel, Best Pet Teeth Cleaning. This dental gel is designed to keep your pet's teeth sparkling clean and their gums healthy. It helps fight plaque and keeps their breath fresh. It's a great way to maintain your pet's oral hygiene between vet visits. This advanced formula works effectively as a tartar remover for both dogs and cats. It's a superior alternative to enzymatic toothpaste, promoting healthy gums for your furry friends. You have options. You can apply it directly with your finger, a finger brush, or a pet toothbrush. You can even put it on their paw for them to lick off. It's that simple and versatile. Forget about those artificial flavors. This product is 100% flavor-free, so you can enjoy your pet's breath. It's perfect for all pets, including seniors, small breeds, and picky cats. Pet parents love this product because it's safe, simple, and trusted. It's made in the USA, ensuring the best care for your beloved pets. They are family, and this product helps you give them the best. What we like? This toothpaste is great because it fights plaque and tartar, keeping your dog's teeth clean. If you have a picky eater or a dog with sensitivities, this flavor-free option is perfect. It's also super easy to apply, whether you use a brush or your finger, so you can easily incorporate it into your routine. What people say? The toothpaste effectively cleaned my dog's teeth. The dog toothpaste has a pleasant taste that my dog seems to enjoy. It is a natural and organic product. Number 4. Radius USDA Organic Dog Toothpaste. This toothpaste is designed to clean your dog's teeth and help prevent tartar and remove plaque. It is made with a unique blend of sweet potato and coconut oil to fight plaque and promote optimal oral hygiene. This toothpaste helps prevent cavities and promotes a healthier smile for your dog. It is made with natural ingredients and is xylitol-free, ensuring a safe and effective oral care experience. The formula contains no harmful chemicals, preservatives, dyes, pesticides, GMOs, glutens, fluoride, or saccharin. It's also latex-free, SLS and SLES-free, and BPA and BPS-free, ensuring a pure oral care experience for your pet. This toothpaste provides a fresh, clean smell without painful procedures. It ensures long-lasting fresh breath, giving you confidence in your dog's oral hygiene. Experience pure and natural oral care with this chemical-free formula. It offers gentle yet effective results, providing a refreshing oral routine for your dog. The travel-sized tubes are TSA compliant, making it easy to maintain your dog's oral care routine while on the go. You can keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy wherever you travel. What we like? This toothpaste uses organic ingredients to ensure a safe and natural cleaning experience. If you are looking for a toothpaste without any harmful chemicals, this is a great choice. It also gives your dog fresh breath, so you can enjoy those puppy kisses even more. What people say? The toothpaste effectively cleaned my dog's teeth. The product has a pleasant taste that dogs seem to enjoy. The toothpaste is made with organic ingredients. Number 3. Radius Canine Oral Care Kit. Introducing the Radius Canine Oral Care Kit, designed to keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy. This kit includes everything you need for a fresh and happy smile. This kit uses a unique blend of sweet potato and coconut oil to prevent tartar and cavities. It removes plaque and promotes optimal oral hygiene, leading to a healthier smile for your furry friend. The toothpaste is xylitol-free and contains no harmful chemicals. It's free of preservatives, dyes, pesticides, GMOs, glutens, fluoride, and saccharin, ensuring a safe and pure oral care experience for your dog. This kit provides a fresh-from-the-vet smell and cleans without painful procedures. It ensures long-lasting fresh breath, making those cuddles even more enjoyable. The toothbrush has soft, premium bristles to remove tartar and plaque. The non-slip grip helps you keep control while brushing. It's also landfill biodegradable and BPA-free for safe and sustainable use. The kit is travel-friendly, allowing you to maintain your dog's oral care routine on the go. The tubes are TSA compliant, so you can keep your dog's smile bright wherever you go. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including a toothbrush, making it super convenient. If you're looking for a complete oral care solution, this is a great option. The toothbrush is also designed to be sustainable, so you can feel good about your purchase. What people say. The toothpaste effectively cleaned my dog's teeth. The product has a pleasant taste that my dog enjoys. The toothpaste is made with organic ingredients. Number 2. Arterra Pet Science Dog Toothpaste. Introducing a groundbreaking toothpaste for your dog. This product utilizes advanced nanohydroxyapatite technology to repair early decay and strengthen enamel. It's fluoride-free and sets a new standard in dog dental care. This comprehensive formula addresses multiple oral health issues. It removes plaque, reduces tartar, supports gum health, and freshens breath. All of this is achieved with a clear, easy-to-use application. The formula is plant-based, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic. It's made with natural extracts and surfactants, ensuring gentle yet effective cleaning. You can use it every day with confidence. Say goodbye to bad breath. This toothpaste delivers long-lasting freshness. It ensures your dog's mouth stays clean and pleasant after each use. Dogs will love the natural peanut butter flavor. Sweetened with dog-safe ingredients, it makes brushing enjoyable. It turns dental care into a treat for your furry friend. Dental health is vital for your dog's overall well-being. This product actively prevents issues by promoting healthy teeth and gums. It supports your dog's longevity and vitality. Crafted with the highest quality standards, this veterinarian-grade formula is proudly made in the USA. It ensures the best dental care for your beloved dog. What we like. This toothpaste uses a unique remineralizing formula to repair early-stage decay. If you want to give your dog the best dental care, this is a great option. The peanut butter flavor makes brushing time a treat, so your dog will actually enjoy it. What people say. Our puppy is using this toothpaste as we train him to let us brush his teeth. We were a bit worried he wouldn't like it as he has never been interested in peanut butter, but when he sees this tube come out, he is on his best behavior and comes right away to lie down and have his teeth brushed. Only been using it for a couple of weeks and my dog's teeth are already looking better. Plaque definitely seems to be reduced. My dog hates brushing her teeth. With this tasty toothpaste, it not only cleaned her teeth, it also made brushing easier. Number 1. Radius Senior Dog Dental Kit. This is the Radius Senior Dog Dental Kit. It includes a soft bristled toothbrush and non-toxic toothpaste. This kit is designed specifically for senior dogs to keep their teeth clean and healthy. The toothbrush is ergonomically designed for the best clean. The smooth, oval brush head is cornerless, ensuring there's no potential damage to sensitive teeth and gums. This design makes brushing comfortable for the dog. The included dog toothpaste is all natural. It's designed to fight plaque and harmful bacteria. It also helps keep your dog's teeth pearly white. This kit is specially designed for dogs aged 8 years and older. It provides gentle yet effective dental care for the young at heart dogs. It is a great way to maintain their oral health. The toothbrush features soft bristles for the ultimate, best-feeling clean. This ensures a comfortable brushing experience for your senior dog. It makes dental care a pleasant experience. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for senior dogs, with soft bristles for gentle cleaning. If you have an older dog with sensitive teeth and gums, this is a great choice. It will help keep their teeth clean and healthy without causing any discomfort. What people say. After using this toothpaste, he immediately loved the taste. He licks the brush as I brush his teeth and usually he hates it anytime I use anything on his mouth from taste. After 3 days of using this product and a tooth scraper, I got a huge chunk of plaque off his teeth. It didn't take long at all for it to eat away at the plaque and through the course of 3 days I could gradually see the plaque getting weaker. Awesome to have an organic and healthy choice for my senior dog. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.